Matt here with 911R. We have the 75 Carrera with the 77 3-liter motor that's got the Max Moritz 3.2 short stroke in it, which is actually my favorite combination. We build a lot of engines with that 3.2 short stroke kit, and it's kind of our favorite go-to for waking up these older cars. But this car, being an actual 77 Euro 3.0, makes this motor really rare, very pretty special. So this 75 car, we've known this car for a long time. We've been working on this car since 2010 or 2014, somewhere in there, and we support it to do a bunch of rallies. It did the Momo road to the Rennsport before the restoration was done on it. But yeah, I just want to talk about the underside of this car. I was asked about the car. It was dry ice blasted about 3 or 4 years ago. It was one of the first cars I ever heard of actually having it done. And then the car has actually been in a collection for quite some time. The guy has about 10 911s, and now we're getting ready to sell this one for him. This car, the family's on it for over 40 years. Dick Elvrude did the motor in it. There was a question about if it was how dry it was or leaks and stuff under it. Looking at underneath it, it looks like there might be a small leak at the front up here, very small, just some slight moisture. Then coming towards the back, it looks like there's a slight moisture back here. Again, this car's never left any oil on the ground here at our shop. We move around quite a bit. We have really nice floors, so it's real obvious when a car is drippy. But I'm not seeing the transmission is good. I know the transmission was gone through back in 2014 as well. I think it got a new first gear shaft and everything in it, and Dick Elvrude built the transmission in it. But you can see it's really dry. The heat exchangers don't have any oil marks on them or anything, or any stains. Usually it's where I see it is from the rocker shaft seals leaking on these cars. But again, this car looks really good, very dry. The underside pan is all perfect. Coming up to the front, you can see all the suspension mounts are all original stock, very clean. The brake calipers are the S calipers, which are really cool, the aluminum ones, and nice. But again, coming back to the engine, I'd say this is about as good as air-cooled 911 gets. They all can be a little seepy and stuff, but this one's really nice. So any other questions, let us know. If you're interested in 911R listing your car or helping get it sold, let us know too. Thank you.